Okay, this is from section A, and I'm just going to play through it first. Okay, I'm just going to play from section A, first bar. I play an E flat in the left hand and I come up to E flat and G in the left. And at the same time I play G in the right, followed by E flat and B flat before I play the E flat and G. So it's like this. And then bring the left in and the G again. Then the little finger goes up to C, and down there we go down to B flat together. And then we have the juicy chord F in the left hand, A flat, D, F sharp, B flat all together, followed by E flat in the right hand, and then the E flat in the next bar. And it sounds like this. Right, bar 2, it starts with an E flat down there, and then it does another E flat with the thumb. And when you play the E flat with thumb in the left hand, you play D flat and F in the right hand, and slide down to C and E flat staccato like that. And then a B flat in the left, followed by B flat and D flat in the right, and then the triplet E flat, F, G, A flat. And that's the A flat is the next bar in the next note in the next bar. So the second bar goes like this. 2 bars together. Right, this is from the third bar now, after the which we have in the left hand, and we play the A flat, then a C in the right, and then another A flat in the left, and the A flat and E flat in the right hand, followed by C again, then A natural in the left, and bring your thumb down to F sharp with the E flat, and then another A natural with a C here, followed by E flat with your thumb, and then the B flat is the next note in the next bar. So with the triplets from the previous bar into bar 3, here we go. Right, bar 4's got a B flat, then an E flat, and when you play that E flat in the left hand, you play E flat in the right hand with a G, these two together, followed by B flat there in your thumb. Then we have this, is the right hand is D and F sharp, and they both slide up a semitone, one going to E flat and one going to G, like that. And while you do that, you do this on the left, C to B flat, and then 3 more notes, B flat, E flat, A flat, and that's the next note in the next bar. So this third, 1, 2, 3, 4th bar is, and that's the next bar, next note in the next bar. So 4 bars together, here we go. Now we have this 5th bar, A flat in the left, then a C in the right, followed by E flat in the left and a G in the right. Then a B flat in the right, followed by a G in the left. And then B flat and E flat together in the middle, and then a G in the left hand thumb there like that. And then the next bar a G, a D in the right, and then the left hand goes up to B natural, and the right hand does G and D together, followed by another, followed by an E flat like that. Then a C in the left, a C in the right. Did you get that? Then this little finger goes down to C, and this plays B flat, E flat. And we have an A flat for the next bar. So I'll do all of that bar together. And then this bar, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th bar of A. We've got an A flat in the left hand, followed by an E flat. And you do a B flat going to a C, like that. In the right hand when you play that E flat. Then the left hand goes down to G. The right hand plays G. Left hand comes up to E flat. And the right hand plays E flat, followed by G. So that bar, there's an A flat on the left, then it comes up to E flat, and you go down to G, G in the right, E flats together, and then G in the right, and another G for the next bar. So from A. Then we have this bar, which is a G in the left, followed by B, F, G in the right, and then a D in the left. And then C, E flat, and G in the right. Then C in the left, and E flat on the left. So that whole bar is from bar A. Then the next bar, A flat, B flat, A natural with G flat and C, followed by F. Then B flat on the left and G and E flat on the right, followed by C. Then we have B, C, G, E flat. Alright, so from section A. And then we have this bar where it's C and F sharp, B and G, C and E flat, like that. On the left is A flat, G, C, and they all go together. And then we have a triplet going down to an A natural for the next bar. And while you're doing the triplet, you go G, E flat. So it's now let me go from section A now. Again. This is the new bit, you ready? And then this bar, we have C, after the A natural in the left, we have C, B flat. And then we go down to B flat and A flat together with a G here. Followed by E flat. Then the A flat again in the left. And then the G in the right. And then the next note in the next bar, E flat, like that. So that bar is... Right, from section A.